Little man.
If I, a bird with no wings, a plane bound for nothing, fell in love with you, knowing I'd never take flight, staying still in the night, would you stay grounded for me?
A boy, not a king, just a head full of dreams, fell in love with you. Being all out of reach, would you chase them with me till the long day is through?
If I, a voice with no sing,
A telephone with no ring,
fell in love with you,
words unheard in the sky,
silent all through the night, would you sit quiet with me?